Right, welcome back. For those of you who've seen my previous video, you'll know that I'm at OHBM, the conference in Bordeaux. Today is day 4, so today's Thursday. I arrived here on Monday. It is now 10 a.m. French time. So I have to check out in a few minutes actually, because I'm going to my first session of the conference today at 10:30, which is the first keynote of the day. And from here on in, you'll see me basically go through the conference. It will be a light video. I won't take too much footage today because you've seen in the previous video what generally an academic conference looks like. So here you'll mostly see transitions throughout the day and some of the travel at the end. Now, it will be a long day again. Actually, I'll arrive home, maybe like 1 a.m. and then I have a full day of work tomorrow. I actually have to be there for an open day. So as the admissions tutor for psychology, I have a whole day tomorrow, Friday, which will be an open day. So yeah, that's going to be a bit rough. And if you are interested in content like this, please do subscribe. I showcase what it's like to work as a lecturer and give you behind the scenes of academic life.
Communication between these brain areas and intrinsic dynamics.
Disruptions of this process is served as a hallmark of many brain disorders.
Many people using neuromodulation and psychiatry. I just want to investigate if my
esteemed program chair.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now entering the sub-terminal long-stay car park.
Not sure which way lighting is best actually. Doesn't matter. Too tired to figure that out. The time is now 11:15. I've made it back in one piece. This is the car park of the airport. You'll remember that that's where I took the shuttle from in the previous video to the airport, and that's where I was just being dropped off. That noise is really annoying. I'm going to have to go into the car to film. Okay, so got into the car. Hopefully it's a bit quieter now. So yes, it's 11:15, almost 11:20 now. Hopefully you've enjoyed those 4 days of content. Obviously I didn't film everything. I've filmed day 1 and the last day, as you have just seen. So that's generally what it's like to travel to academic conferences. So you get a flavour of sort of talks, symposia, exhibitions, poster, hotels, etc., etc. Hopefully that's been interesting. I try to sort of cut out a lot of the faff in between. So yes, I have a 2.5 hour drive now, so I'll get home maybe about 2 a.m, which is really rough because I have to be at work at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Filming at the conference was quite difficult actually. It was really awkward at times. You get dirty looks, people look at you. I'm not used to that yet. I do find that difficult. That will take time. I guess that will come with more and more experience. But yeah, I do need to grow a thicker skin because there were some shots that would have been really cool to include, but I just simply couldn't get the camera out to record. It would have been too awkward. So yes, hopefully you've enjoyed this process. You've seen what it's like to travel to an academic conference, what it's like the early starts, the late finishes. And yes, I'll do it all again tomorrow. So subscribe and stay tuned.